I'm 18 years old founder building an AI startup with no funding, no co-founder, and just building solely from a tier 2 city you never heard of. I am not building from San Francisco or any tech area. I'm just building from tier 2 city of India you never heard of. And I have built a I have built a company named Veron Lab, which has a product called Verona. And Verona isn't just AI, not just an AI customer support. It's just whole AI agent customer support with voice, chat, but with heart, with the empathy and the emotion, which can understand your feelings, just like humans we do. And so I have built because I had personally felt the problem. What's the thing the big brand are not seeing, that I being a customer of the big brands, and they're purchasing the something, and most of time that things went wrong, I doesn't get the proper support from them to get things uh, great enough to work well, and it just cost me a lot of time and make my varied experience about their brand and perception about the brand, that they are just worst for me and don't recommend any to anyone else. So that's how I figure out that it it's just not cost me, but it also cost that enterprises, that brand value and the brand trust. And it's trust is something that it's very hard to gain. It's never be like you directly gain. So customer support is one of the most thing the brand should be focused on. So we had built an AI empathetic emotion based AI which can understand your feelings. That's how a mission was start to building Verona. And in this whole journey, I will show you the how the we have dealing with the clients enterprises. We have now running 3 pilots with the big enterprises, a big recognized name in my state, and also maybe in my country. They are very big players. But how I have done that thing and how the things are going to be work, how we are working with that sort of finding the investor, applying to many startup accelerators like YC, A16Z, and many more, and just talking to investor and hearing know about them. All the stuff I will like being seeing the things that work very well for me, the things which don't work for me, and what I had been learned in my journey, and what I have been like knowing and improving. It just be like starting of a journey of a startup founder is start from now, because I am sharing the whole public documentary of like voice agents and chat for customer support, how we built, how every day problem came in my life, how the things go went wrong, and how the things we fix out, or maybe how we avoid some problem, how we put how we our own self create some problem. All the things I am going to share about. And the thing is more profoundly is like being a founder is like being someone who can have find the solution of the problem, because you can encounter many different problems every single day, from managing your money, managing your cash flows, or just getting investor done, or finding people, finding the your customer. And for me, for finding the few early people who just try Verona for free, I had to write even 150 emails, and maybe the more than 50 to 20 calls for to get just 1 to 2 people using Verona. And it's all about my money I am spending on them for to acquiring them as a customer, so which cost me a lot of my time and money. So that's the thing. You had to go in the journey along with, and I have also be go far, not so go far in this journey, so we can build together. And building it's like learning the things from what I have learned from the my experience, and what I should be know, and how the things going to work, like a raw sort of a startup founder journey, and documenting whole this things, like from getting the investor, VCs, VCs, I mean, is the same thing. So getting the investor and VCs writing the check for us and managing the cash flows even when they doesn't doesn't have money. How can we manage, and how we manage the clients, how we manage the pilots when we have doesn't have anything, any cash flows, no investor money, and no co-founder to get split of the errors. So how we manage and how we should evolve. It's like the raw startup founder journey. And my name is Bhavya Vaghani.